How's it going? Let's work on part number 12, page 75. This one, it's a little bit tricky. I'm looking at this, there's three main sections. We have the base, the stem, and the head. And I'm going to start with the head, and we're going to draw this out, and we're going to revolve it 360 degrees. So let's give it a go here. So new part, front plane, and let's have a go here. So this one here is radius 30, and then radius 30 with a 6 degree. We could do, there's an easier way of doing this. Let's draw a circle, and just we'll make this diameter 60. I know I'm going jumping back and forth, and I'm going to do a mid-plane extrude. You'll see I'm going to add something called a draft. Mid-plane, and how much is it extruded? It's 72. Okay, there's a draft of 6 degrees. Okay, and that's our head. Let's just check it here. From there to there, 72. Okay. Now, what's next? We have the right plane, and I'll create a sketch on there. And we've 28 degrees. So let's think about this. We have diameter 40 there. Now what the hell is that circle there for? What's this circle? That is the top of the of this. I wonder, would it be good if that's 28 degrees from there to there? Oh man, what angle is that? Hold on a sec here. Alright, this is a pain in the head. What's the best way of doing this? If that is okay, 15, that's 15. So from there to there, 65. So if I get a line, and I come down and I come over, and I have something like that. From here to here is 65. This is diameter 40. So this is 20. And then that's 14 degrees. So from here to here is 14 degrees. Okay? Now where's this going to? It doesn't really matter. We're just gonna put it there. And now we have a region. We'll make that point on that vertical. Oh, stop. We'll make this horizontal. Okay. That's 20. Let me just think about this here. 40. And that'll be 28. Yeah, that's it. Look, I've just woken up from a nap. I'm kind of out of it. So let's revolve that. And now we have this. Could be better ways of doing this. And then we have the base. Now what's the base look like? it looks like a rectangle with two curves. See, that's a bit funky. I'm going to do a center rectangle, and I'm going to do what do I want, a center point arc or a 3-point arc? I'm going to go to 3-point arc. That's my go-to. And then, now where is the center of that rotation? It's right there. It's radius 70. And we make this point and that coincident. Lovely. Okay, that's good. The length is 121.24. Let me write that down. 121.24. 121.24. Okay, and then I'm going to mirror this. Let me get my old center line. And mirror across. So I feel like this is extruded by 15, which is there, and then I'll get those two little cutouts. So I'm going to create a sketch on this face. Alright, and let's have a look. 115. So we get a midpoint line. 115. Okay, 115. Going to get an old circle. Now what size is the circle? Radius 10, diameter 20. We'll make these equal. And I'm going to click on the face. I'm going to go convert entities. I'm going to drive out to the line. I think that's it, isn't it? Yep. And let's make this for construction. Right, we got all that. What will we do? We'll just trim the rest of this away. I have to tell you, I got some nice emails from people in Sweden, Ghana, Italy, where else? Yeah, look, if you have comments where you're from, I'd love to hear how the quarantine is going down. I know it's tough. You know, it's not easy. Thank God we have a dog here in the house. It makes it a lot easier. But look, yeah, definitely like to hear where you're from, you know, and see how you're getting along. I was thinking of an idea of maybe people out there finding really difficult parts. Not really an assembly, but like a really challenging part with all the dimensions. And maybe I've done a lot of simple parts, but maybe I need to like step it up and do some really tough ones. And you can maybe, I don't know if you need to. I've been doing this a long time. Maybe there's some insight that you'd get out of me doing a tough part. I need to have a couple of cups of coffee first, though. Now, what size is this hole here going through it? Diameter 30. If you do have a hairy, crazy part, put it in the comments, and I'll but try and make sure all the dimensions are there, you know, or that kind of makes it a bit more makes it a bit more complicated. Anyway, look, I think that's it. Tricky enough, or maybe it's because I just got out of bed. Um, anyway, look, you'd apply your material and then you'd check your mass properties. I think that's it. Um, so hopefully that's helped. And what's the next one? Next one's not too bad. It's more of the same. Just reading the drawings. So look, I'm going to keep on chipping away at these the next few days. We'll see what sort of mood I'm in the next few minutes. I might even tackle this one. Take care, guys. Bye now.